Oh, there it goes.
Yeah!
Here's a drunk monkey for you.
No. They did it last week.
Here you go, Mr. Betty.
Left.
Yeah, I got a drunk monkey in my hand.
Oh, you do? Go for it.
You know,
I got a drunk monkey in my hand.
You know, I'll handle the camera.
It's still going. It's still recording.
Recording?
Yeah. Here, you hold the lighter.
One box.
I'll hold the lighter.
Yeah, you get the lighter going. Yeah.
Lighting.
Yeah, you light it. Let's go. Clear?
Yeah, throw it back first.
Hey, make sure you go farther. So which one was the monkey and which one was the drunk?
Yeah.
Set it upwards. Set it.
Wait, which one's this? You guys might want to move back, you know?
So it spins out your feet till you die.
I like that one. What? What's that? Oh, more spinning? More feet spinning?
Spinny.
There, James.
I wanted to do one.
Oh, you wanted to do one?
You
gotta throw it, though.
Move. Everybody move away from me.
When you get it, just roll it out there.
James, you're on the wrong side.
Yeah, roll it out that way.
Go.
That's a good one. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Right in the middle.
Blue, pink, green, white.
How do they do that?
It's a different metal.
Okay. Who wants to do some of these sunflower ones?
Oh yeah, I'll light one of those.
Annie can do one, but you gotta make sure.
Those gotta be set down first.
Right.
I'll do one.
Yeah. I think so.
Here we go. Annie's gonna light one now.
You're drunk. And you're a monkey.
We go great together.
We go together like Chinese food and monkey.
Move back. That's what I'm talking about.
One more. You got the lighter?
One more?
No, we got a bunch.
Yeah, we got a bunch.
One more of these.
Yeah, we got plenty of sunflowers.
I don't think so. We had 12 of them.
We've lit like 3.
We're America. We're either gonna die in battle, die being fat, or blow our heads off with these firecrackers.
And the irony is, it's 4th of July.
Watch out. Coming your way.
It's like a war zone. That is a good one right there.
Finale.
That's still the Breckenridge finale?
Finale.
Maybe it's still not the finale yet.
No, that's gotta be the finale.
That's what it looked like earlier. That better be the finale. Seems like one expensive show.
That's not the finale. That's just for my birthday.
The best fireworks show, and it's not even your birthday.
You want like all of them?
Who's got the
Bad idea.
That is.
Holy cow.
Yeah, that's gonna light up the sky right there. Nope.
So what do you think? You're in the like those war zone movies? They like go out to fireworks.
There we go.
It's all pyrotechnics. Man.
After the show's over, the sound is still rolling.
Right.
That's why, you know,
Still
like
rumbling.
a couple of miles.
Those were my
Well, that's because your eyes are in front of your
What's
ears.
that?
Those were my favorite dollars at work.
I tell you what.
No, it's because light travels faster than sound.
I'm sorry,
You guys have
Yeah.
your eyes are in front of your
I'll tell you what,
ears, and that's
this-
your eyes on the side of your
It
face.
is 10 acres.
Yeah. Wow.
I want to.
Huh?
But
That's a good
I'm
sign.
going
You
to
gonna
start
set it?
till
Okay.
almost 20 till.
Well, I thought we
What are we lighting at this moment?
Yeah, that's right.
Finale. And maybe even actually a little bit after that.
Are you serious?
Kept trying to figure out what was
Alright,
what.
can I light it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can light it.
Stop moving.
Whoa. Perfect.
Okay, I'll light it from yours.
Listen.
It's more like torches than sparklers.
Come on, come light.
Whoa.
Light towers.
You guys look like a bunch of witches and wizards just like huddling together making a potion.
No, where people are getting...
There's suddenly a lot more light in the camera.
The light is like green and everything.
Can't imagine why.
We're getting stoned. That's what we're doing.
Easy now.
Sarah, don't splash around.
Dude, smell this.
That's pretty cool. Matthew, you should get some of those. Oh, you missed them.
That hurt.
You missed them.
Okay.
They look like flowers.
Where's your
They
sparkler?
came up and then they went. They came up straight and then they opened right up.
Patches on the toe.
Alright.
That's
Like that last one. Let's go. Alright,
The tower, shower,
all right. Grand finale.
Dad has that.
Michael's got it.
lighter.
Is that good?
Here, let's take a walk out.
Alright.
This is the cone.
Alright, I'm gonna need the flash on that thing to see what I'm doing.
No, we don't have any flash. We're taking a video.
Here's your tip right here.
Ever see it? You see it?
There it is. Look out.
Matthew, be careful.
I'm careful. Are you kidding me? Woo! That's what I'm talking about.